Listen, what you're not gonna do is sit here and tell me that I'm not blending, baby. Oh my God. Okay, so y'all know I've been trying to keep the black from cracking more, right? So I've been trying to up my skincare game, right? Picked up this, and girl, and I am so glad that I got the trial size, because baby, I am looking Casper the Friendly Ghost white. This is not, yeah, this is not okay. So I'm gonna just wet my face just a little bit with some water, and we'll see first if I can maybe like blend it in more with some water. Girl, I don't know. Just gonna use what's in here because, yeah. Are we looking better? Did the color come back to me? I mean, I look a little glow-ish, you know what I'm saying? But I still feel kind of Casper white. Anywho, that is the update on the skincare stuff. So thank you so much for tuning in today. It's Meekah Lynne. Here we are with another video. You do notice that your girl's a little congested. I'm sick. So I am dealing with that, but we shall continue. Before we get into this, definitely make sure you are subscribed to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby, and we shall get this on the go. I always love when they include these bags, you know, just gives it a little extra oomph with the packaging. Great for storage as well. Well, big thank you to HerGivenHair for sending out this beauty, baby. Oh, I'm a little excited, y'all. So we're doing something a little different. If you want to take advantage of the timestamps, then go ahead and do so. And of course, watch at least half the video. This is their Upart wig in 22 inches with 3C4A texture in a natural color with a medium size cap. Let's back that up, baby. Did I say Upart? Yes, I did. They do claim that this is going to give you 100% blendable coverage. My God and good Lord with the netting. Okay. A little bit different kind of cap construction with this unit. There are going to be two combs right by the U part. You are going to have one comb on each side, and then you are also going to have, it looks like, one comb in the back, and there is an adjustable strap. And of course, since it is a U part, you do have that mesh kind of part that you are going to cut out. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down when I hit the town.
Okay, so the idea for these U parts is pretty simple. You clip it into place. I do suggest that you do have two anchors, so I did decide to go ahead and braid my hair. Right now, I'm going to show you how I blended this unit using a very simple product, baby. Enter the crochet hook. So I'm actually going to start at the dominant side of my head. Now, one thing I will not do is sugarcoat this review. If you do have fine hair such as me, it is going to be very important that you do a couple of things, and I'll share that at the end of this video. So with this crochet hook, it's pretty simple. You thread the crochet hook through your hair. You're going to hook the piece of the wig, draw it through, and baby, look, track where, boo? It ain't there. So I'll show a couple of more times how I actually installed this unit. I think the great thing about curly wigs is they really don't show like a lot of the flaws. Like if you don't pull all the hair through, you're pretty much good to go. You know what I'm saying? So from start to finish, I think this took me maybe 15 minutes. Okay. It took about 15 minutes total for me to actually loop all of this hair through. Now the only issue for me when I did loop it through, as you can see, too big of a piece, then you will kind of get a little bit of a roadblock, if you will. Okay. Now unfortunately I did not measure the Upart, so I ran out of braiding space, so I actually had to pull some hair from the back and loop it forward. I hope that makes sense, but you'll see what I did in a minute.
Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, hear me out. Like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe.
I'm always a little cautious, a little side eye kind of action when it comes to these Upart wigs, especially since I do have very fine hair. When it comes to these Upart wigs, the number one problem I have is the gap that I get because the combs cannot grip enough of my hair. It's not there, boo. So for this initial installation, the gap was really, really big in my opinion. I do wish that they had a comb in the back of this Upart. It definitely would have gave more of a solid anchor for this Upart, and I think I probably would have been able to close the gap just a little bit more. I did go through and tease the roots, and that really tied this unit together. Now besides the comb in the back, one thing I would change is definitely the color. I would probably go through with a box of 1B dye. This one is giving more of a like almost like a lighter off black, off brown color. You know what I'm saying? I think she looks good, and baby, she's blending, baby. Oh yeah, she's blending. So if you are interested in checking out the information for HerGivenHair, direct link to their store in the description box down below, as well as a direct link to this unit, baby. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. It is always, always, always appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.